Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 55-inch broad fork that this brand sent to me for this video, which is insanely heavy, but that actually translates into good quality because you're gonna need something heavy if you are into gardening or cultivating, or if you wanna kind of like let your soil to breathe more and things like that. You're gonna have to need something heavy, and this thing goes beyond heavy because you can actually work out with your full body weight to make this one to work. There is like a minimum assembly. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, and then we're going to put it to work. But this thing, bottom line, it is galvanized. It's also coated, paint coated, so you can leave it outside if you want. I mean, you can just put it in storage if you also want, but you can leave it outside. Nothing is going to happen. It is really, really heavy. 5 tines right here. You can see these 5 spikes, and also it's going to be 20 inches wide by 55 inches tall. So we're going to put it together, and then we're going to put it to work. But I guarantee this thing is crazy how easy it's going to be for you to work on your soil, your garden, your plants, your grass, things like that. It's going to be just a breeze. So there are 2 sections that you will have to put together. These are the 2 sections. And by the way, this is a really nice grip, kind of like a nice silicone grip. So it's going to be really good for you to grab it and just make sure that you have the support you need. So you're going to put these 2 sections together. This is going to be right here. And then you're going to have the screws. And this one is going to be right here on this side. So basically, you're going to have to put about 4 screws in each one of the sections. And once you're ready, you're going to grab the screws and the tools that comes with the package, and you should be all set. And I have all the others already set. I'm gonna just leaving this 2 ones so you can see how easy this one is. So you're gonna make sure that you have the right holes, and once that you have that, you're gonna put this one through. You're gonna push this knob over here, making sure that it's adjusted. So you can do this part with your hands, and then you're gonna just finish it with the tools. If you have other tools, that's good. That's gonna be even better. But if not, you can always use the tools that comes with the package. So one is gonna be this one over here, and the other one is gonna be this one over here. So once you're done, you just make sure that you adjust each one of the bolts, and that should be it. We are all set and ready to go. So you can see how big this one is. Don't worry about putting all your body weight in this one. This thing won't budge. This thing is really heavy. So here's how you're gonna use it. We already have leaves over there. So here's how you're gonna use it. And again, you're gonna put your whole body weight in this one. So put it in there where you wanna work out, and just make sure that you grab it this way, and then you kind of like apply all the weight over here. You apply the weight here, apply the weight here. You can actually even jump if you want. You can use the supports to jump and make sure that you're going through using your whole body weight. Once you're there, make sure that you give it another push, and this is how you're gonna work. You have your full soil removed and ready to breathe and ready to work on your garden, ready to just give it as much as you want. And of course, make sure that this is where you're gonna work out with your plants, with your gardening experience, or just like breathing your soil in. One more time with a little bit of a closer look. So again, give it all you have. Just put all that weight. Again, if you want, use the support, and you can jump to make it even funner if you want. And you can have your kids, if you want, to take part on this and have fun. And then you grab it from the silicone grips, and check this out. Beautiful, beautiful soil removal, beautiful breathing, beautiful and easy. And this is how it's gonna work. One more time, even in a closer look, make sure to put all that weight over here. Make sure that you're gonna go deeper as much as you can, as much as you want, and then remove that soil. Perfectly managed, perfectly done. So again, don't worry about this one. It can take a budge. 55 inches, 20 inches wide. You have the grips. It is super heavy. You have the 5 spikes. This is the best broad fork tool that you're gonna have. Thanks for watching. I do recommend it. See you soon.